We are covering the 12 subtests of the Air Force Officer Qualifying Test, or AFOQT, focusing on their fixed order and why pacing is a critical exam day skill. Understanding the structure of this 5-hour exam is fundamental to your success. The test is administered in a specific, unchangeable sequence, and each subtest is timed independently. A crucial rule to remember is that you cannot return to a previous section once its time has expired. This makes your time management strategy within each block absolutely vital. The exam begins with verbal analogies, giving you just 8 minutes for 25 questions. Immediately following is arithmetic reasoning, with a more generous 29 minutes for 25-word problems. This is followed by the fastest section in the front half, word knowledge, which demands you answer 25 questions in only 5 minutes. The first block of academic focus tests concludes with math knowledge and reading comprehension, which have more manageable time allotments. A common trap for candidates is failing to adjust their mental speed. You might have nearly a minute and a half per question during reading comprehension, but only 12 seconds per question on word knowledge. After a break, you'll face the situational judgment and the self-description inventory sections. While the self-description inventory is a personality assessment without right or wrong answers, it still requires you to answer 240 items in 45 minutes, reinforcing the need for a steady pace. The real pacing challenge, however, comes in the back half of the exam. This is where the high-speed spatial and aviation-related subtests appear. These sections are designed to test your ability to work quickly and accurately under immense pressure. The physical science section provides 10 minutes for 20 questions. Then the speed dramatically increases with table reading, where you must answer 40 questions in a mere 7 minutes. That's about 10.5 seconds per question. Next is instrument comprehension, with 25 questions in 5 minutes, or 12 seconds each. The fastest and often most challenging for unprepared candidates is block counting, which allows only 4.5 minutes for 30 questions, translating to just 9 seconds per question. The exam concludes with aviation information, a 20-question, 8-minute section. The common exam trap is cognitive fatigue, combined with a failure to mentally switch gears for these rapid-fire sections. A candidate who masters the content but hasn't practiced the extreme pacing of table reading or block counting will run out of time and leave points on the table. Remember this phrase as a mental shortcut: know the flow to manage the go. This means internalizing the order of the subtests and their unique time pressures so you can anticipate the required pace and mental approach for the section that's coming next. Your ability to shift from the deliberate, analytical pace of arithmetic reasoning to the lightning-fast pattern recognition of table reading is precisely what the AFOQT is designed to measure. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.